Let's make a delicious sauce infusing any of your favorite sauces. Today I'm using Nando's. Hi everyone and welcome to Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena and today I'm making a quick sauce that you can use for your chicken livers, for your chicken strips, anything. Today I'm making it with chicken strips, so I'm gonna keep it very simple. I'm just adding some crushed garlic, letting that sizzle in my pan. And I'm basically going to add my chicken strips and then some herbs and spices. I am going to add more spices into my actual sauce, which I will go through while I'm doing it. Also remember that all the ingredients used is in the drop down description below. Chicken strips are very quick and easy to make, so once you've added your strips, you can give it a quick toss and keep it on a medium heat. You can add any of your favorite dried herbs. Today I'm adding some thyme. Then you can add some salt to taste as well as some cracked black pepper. I'm keeping it very simple. Once done, I'm going to continue frying it on the back burner so I can proceed to make my sauce. You can keep it on a low heat. And remember, you can replace this protein with anything that you like, chicken livers, giblets, whatever your preference. I generally like to make my chicken strips in my sauce with a savory rice on the side, but the kids wanted macaroni today, so I've already boiled some macaroni and it's ready to go. First, I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter melts, you can add another 2 tablespoons of flour. This is all-purpose flour. And we're basically going to form a roux. Because I like a deep flavor, I'm first going to add a little bit of spice to my roux. Some turmeric, just a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and about 1.5 teaspoons of Kashmiri chilli powder. I've also added a teaspoon of cumin powder. If you want, you can even add a teaspoon of roasted Dhania powder or use one or the other. Give your roux as well as the spices a few seconds to warm up on the stove top. And then we're going to start adding our milk. When adding your milk, always bear in mind to keep adding a little at a time and to mix continuously. You will notice that your roux will start to thicken up and you keep adding some milk and mixing. Today I'm adding approximately 1.5 cups of milk, and if you are making more pasta or more strips, chicken strips, you can add more milk, but remember to add more flour as well. Don't forget to give your chicken strips a toss. They're lovely and brown already, so I'm going to switch that off. I'm also adding a drizzle of cream to my sauce. And that will give it a little bit of extra richness. You can now add a sprinkle of salt to taste. And I'm also adding 2 green chilies. I just like a little bit of heat in my sauce as well. And once you reach this beautiful consistency, you are now ready to add your favorite sauce. So today I'm adding Nando's Peri Peri hot sauce, but you can add absolutely any of your favorite sauces and let it infuse into the base. And you can play around with the flavors and add more hot sauce if you want it to be a very dominant flavor in your actual overall sauce taste. The chicken strips are now ready and my sauce is ready. So I'm going to add everything into the sauce and we're going to let it simmer for a few minutes on a very low heat. The sauce consistency and texture is so beautiful, and look how glossy it is. And remember, you can use this as a base for many other sauces. If you wanted to add cheese, maybe you can even make it into a chicken mac and cheese, whatever your preference. I'm adding some fresh coriander. That's my dhania. I am going to mix it through because I love the taste. And then you can start plating up. And the proof is always in the eating. And I hope you guys really enjoy it as much as I do. It's such an easy go-to recipe for those rushed evenings. And don't be shy, go in for that second helping. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. Please hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever a new video is out. Kindly like and share, and your comments. I love your comments. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. Lots of love from myself, Selena, at Perima's Kitchen.